question to you is, give us more perspective on what this JV means for you and what synergies does it bring to your table?
Yeah, good morning. See, we are already the largest mobile crane manufacturing company and the tower crane manufacturing in the country. As a matter of fact, we are the largest pick and carry crane manufacturer in the world. So, but yes, our country is struggling with respect to bigger cranes or heavier cranes, higher tonnages, I would say 40, 50 tons and bigger. And most of these cranes are being imported into the country. So the main intention here is to use the global technology or the engineering and design expertise and the processes expertise which 𝐶𝐜 brings in, coupled with our strengths of a strong manufacturing base, cost efficiencies, coupled with a domestic local supply chain ecosystem, to come out with really competitive and efficient global products, which not only will be supplied domestically through ACE network, but would also be exported globally through 𝐶𝐜 network. So, these are the synergies which both the partners bring in, and to be able to create a growth engine for bigger cranes, which will be manufacturing out of India.
Okay, and how big this can be in terms of top line growth, especially expected from truck cranes, crawler cranes, rough terrain cranes, etc. How big is the market, and what is the top line growth that you can expect once it starts to add to your top line overall?
See, what we are looking at in the medium term is about 300 to 400 crores of revenue over the next 2-3 years.
Okay,
I think this is definitely achievable. The market size domestically is already much bigger than that. So obviously there is a lot of scope to grow there further within India. But most importantly, going forward, when the machine exports start outside India through the 𝐶𝐜 network, so this could be much bigger than this number in the longer term. And I think we'll take the numbers as they go forward.
Okay. In terms of demand, just trying to understand as to how big is the market, what is the demand looking like for truck cranes, crawler cranes, etc.?
See, the demand in our country, domestic demand, has been very robust in the last 7, 8, 9 years, I would say. And because of so much focus of the government on infrastructure construction and a lot of industrial activities, especially a lot of heavy industrial activities also been happening. So these cranes form the backbone with respect to any construction or infrastructure activity that happens on mega projects. So demand is very buoyant and is expected to remain buoyant going forward because India is growing and is expected to grow faster in a slightly medium to longer term.
Okay, got it. Just going back to the previous question where you said that the expected revenue from this particular JV could be around 300 to 400 crores. This is your part alone, or this is the combined part that you're talking about? Just want to get a sense. So
this would be the JV the joint venture revenue in the medium term, I would say over the next 2-3 years, 300 to 400 crores.
Okay, and that's the 50-50 JV that you're talking about. So 50% of it will go to ACE Limited.
See, maybe initially the major part of the revenue, because it's a 50-50 joint venture, so whatever we will be selling domestically through the ACE network, so that will be captured as our top line or revenue. So hopefully initially most of this, I think in the first 2 to 3 years, most of this should be carried forward to the ACE collection.
Got it. Okay. And what is the total investment that you're planning behind this? How much it will go from ACE Limited versus what is 𝐶𝐜 also putting in?
The total investment envisaged in the beginning is about 200 crores.
Okay.
So it's a 50-50 joint venture. So it will be an equal share of investments coming from 𝐶𝐜 as well as ACE in India.
Okay, got it. And what is the status of the anti-dumping duty which was being proposed to the government in reference to heavy cranes? Is there an update there?
See, Ministry of Commerce through DGTR, their investigation now has already investigated, and custom duties were ordered and recommended late last year. But unfortunately, they have not been implemented or notified so far by the Finance Ministry. So that is the current status with respect to anti-dumping duties on heavier cranes.
Okay. And what about margins? Just one last question from my end. How will the margins be different here? Will they be better than your current margins? And how will the blended margins fare, let's say post 1 year or 2 years?
See, obviously, initially the margins would be a little lower than what we are currently doing. But getting along with operating leverage kicking in, especially post 2 to 3 years of operations, we feel that the margins would be in tune with our current margins.
All right.
And especially with our export business kicking in, I would say in the second or the third year, the margins could even be better than our current margins with respect to this joint venture.
Okay, all right.